Hi, Santa Barbara and Montecito. My name is Daniel Zia. I'm the founder, CEO, and broker associate for Zia Group here with eXp Realty on the central coast of California, specifically here in Santa Barbara and Montecito. I'm here to deliver our real estate market update for the month of October in 2023, and I'm going to go over all of the market statistics leading up through the end of September, and that's the data that we have to work with here in October. So to start out, overall, the market is about the same of what we've been seeing. It's still a slightly seller's market. We're seeing sustained higher interest rates, some of the highest interest rates that we've seen in many, many years. And that's actually creating a kind of a nice byproduct in real estate where we're actually seeing some of the highest number of cash offers that we've ever seen. So we're seeing almost one of every two offers on our listings to be actually cash. The median sales price of a house right now is $2,350,000. The median sales price of a condo is about $1,375,000. And on average, properties are selling for about 3% below their asking price in about a month on the market. So home prices still are feeling flat-ish. They might be down 4, 5, 6% over the year. I think high fours overall, but they still feel just kind of flattish. As far as inventory levels go, we've seen the absorption rate start to creep up a little bit, so we're hovering about 2.5 months of inventory. And for the luxury side of things, that's a little higher, like 4.5 months of inventory. Because even though the absorption rate is going up, the number of homes that are available for sale is actually much smaller right now. You have about half as many homes to see as you would have in 2021. And year over year, you've seen about an 18% drop in the availability of new sales. We're seeing lots of sales activity in that 1.8 to 2.5 million range. I mean, just last month we had 18 sales in that 1.8 to 2.5 range, and on average they took about 2 weeks to sell. So one of the interesting factors right now is we do have that lower number of sales. We actually have had the lowest number of sales this year, year to date, as any year so far in the last 17 years since we've been tracking, and that even includes the years of 2008, 2009, 2010, kind of that bottomish of the market was everything was happening. And the reason why we have fewer sales now versus then simply is because we don't have those distressed sales. So back then we saw distressed sales, foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, short sales actually make up almost 20% of our market as the market was declining. We don't have that event right now. What we're seeing is homeowners have lots of equity right now and they don't have a strong catalyst to sell. So they're just not selling. As far as the luxury market, there are about 57 luxury homes available for right now. As far as selection goes, they've been on the market for about 3.5 months on average, but we're actually seeing a lot of luxury activity. I mean, just last month we had 13 sales above $5 million. And the highest sales price was actually off market, oceanfront property at 3165 Padero Lane. It sold for almost $47 million. On the condo side, the highest luxury sales price condo was $3,350,000 last month as well. Condos in general are a little bit stronger right now than the single-family home market. On average, condos are selling for 2% above their asking price in just about 2 weeks on the market, which is about 2 weeks quicker than their single-family home counterparts. We are still seeing lower number of sales compared to previous years, definitely down from last year, about 25% down from last year, and about half the number of sales in 2021. As far as prices for condos, this depends on which statistic you look at. In some statistics, they're up about 2% year over year in home values. In some statistics, they're down 2, 3, 4%. It depends if you're looking at the median or the average sales price, and if you're including the luxury area of Montecito or not. So there you have it. That's our market recap for October 2023. If you have any questions or want us to go in depth on your specific situation to buy a home, or maybe you're thinking of selling a home, please reach out. We're happy to do a private consultation and kind of give you kind of more of the play-by-play, how it might affect your situation in the future, and help you take advantage of the opportunities in our market, because every single market has opportunities, and this market is no different. We'd be happy to share what we mean by that. Reach out and we'll go from there. Take care. Until next time.